Are you a real estate agent looking to streamline your business and build stronger client relationships? Then you need to know about real estate CRM systems. In this video, I'll introduce you to what a CRM or customer relationship management system is and show you how it can benefit your real estate business. I'll also provide tips on choosing and using a CRM system effectively so that you can maximize your time and profits today. Let's dive in. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Kyle Handy and I'm a realtor and team leader based in San Antonio, Texas. I specialize in helping real estate agents of all levels succeed, from those just starting to top team leaders selling hundreds of homes annually. I share the methods that have worked for me, not just theory. My videos provide actionable advice on generating leads, marketing, and prospecting, and you're gonna love this video if you want to improve your skills and take your real estate career to the next level. So keep watching. Okay, so first things first, what is a CRM in real estate? A CRM is a software platform that helps businesses manage and analyze customer interactions and data throughout the customer lifecycle. In the real estate industry, a CRM can track and manage leads, schedule appointments, follow up with clients, and much more. One of the main benefits of a CRM in real estate is that it allows agents to centralize and organize all client information in one place. This can include contact information, property listings, notes and documents, and communication history. With all this information in one place, agents can easily access and update it and track their progress with clients. A good CRM can also help agents automate and streamline their business processes. For example, they can use a CRM to set up automated email campaigns to follow up with leads or send newsletters to their client list. They can also use it to schedule appointments and tasks and set reminders to keep track of their progress. Okay, so next, let's talk about how to choose a CRM for your business. When choosing a real estate CRM for your business, there are a few key factors to consider. Number one is budget. CRM systems can vary in price, from free options to more expensive subscription-based models. Decide what you can afford and look for a CRM that fits your budget. If your brokerage provides a solution, consider trying that one out before going out and spending money, just to make sure that you actually use the software before you start spending tons of money on something you may not use. Real quick, are you ready to take your real estate career to the next level? Partner with me at eXp Realty and get access to the latest tools and resources to help you succeed. From our cutting-edge CRM system to comprehensive training and support, we have everything that you need to succeed in real estate. Plus, get free access to my inner circle, including all of my courses, private training calls, and one-on-one access to me. Head over to kylehandy.com/partner for more details. Alright, so the next thing you need to consider when choosing a CRM are its features and capabilities. Here, you'll need to consider your needs. Different CRM systems offer different features and capabilities. For example, some may have more robust lead management tools, while others may have more advanced marketing automation features. Decide what you need in a CRM and look for one that fits those requirements. And then one of the most important features to consider is user experience. A good CRM system should be easy to use and understand, especially if you're new to using a CRM. Look for a clean and intuitive CRM interface and ensure good customer support is available if you have any questions or issues. Alright, so speaking of using it, let's talk about how to use a CRM system in your business. Once you've chosen a CRM, it's time to use it in your real estate business. Here are some tips for getting the most out of your CRM system. Number one, inputting all of your client information into the CRM is an important step in getting the most out of your system. This includes basic contact information such as name, phone number, and email address, as well as any property listings, notes, and documents related to your interactions with them. Having all this information in one place allows you to access and update it easily and track your progress with clients. Next, using your CRM to track and manage your leads is a key part of any real estate business. This includes setting up automated email campaigns to follow up with leads and scheduling appointments and tasks to keep track of your progress. The CRM can help you organize and prioritize your leads, as well as track the status of each one. By regularly reviewing your leads in the CRM, you'll be able to identify which ones are most promising and focus your efforts on converting them into clients. Number 3, using your CRM to automate your business processes can save time and effort. For example, you can use it to send newsletters to your client list or schedule appointments and tasks. Automating these processes can free up your time to focus on other aspects of your business, such as prospecting and closing deals. Number 4, analyzing your data is an important part of any business, and your CRM can help you do this. Most CRM systems have reporting and analytic tools that allows you to see how your business is performing and where you can improve. This may include tracking your lead conversion rates, analyzing your marketing efforts, or identifying trends in your client interactions. By regularly reviewing your data, you can identify areas of strengths and weaknesses in your business and take steps to improve your performance. Before we move on to the next tip, I wanted to remind you to head to my blog and download your free real estate agent business plan. Not only will you get that, but you'll also be added to my email newsletter where you'll receive fresh real estate tips weekly. Simply visit kylehandy.com/business plan to get started. All right, now let's get back to the video. The next tip is to customize your CRM to fit your business needs. Most CRM systems allow you to customize fields and create custom reports to fit the specific needs of your business. Take the time to set up the CRM that works best for you and your team. This may include adding custom fields for specific types of client information or creating reports to track specific metrics. Number 6, using your CRM to manage your marketing efforts can help you reach more potential clients and generate more leads. Many CRM systems have marketing automation features that allows you to create and send targeted email campaigns to your leads and clients. You can also use the CRM to track the effectiveness of your marketing efforts and see which campaigns are producing the best results. By regularly reviewing your marketing data, you can identify which tactics are working and which are not, and make adjustments as needed. Next, improving customer service is an important part of any business. A CRM can help you do this. With all your client information in one place, you'll be able to quickly and easily access the information you need to provide excellent customer service. You can also use the CRM to track your interactions with clients and identify areas where you need to improve. Regularly reviewing your customer interactions and tracking any issues or concerns can improve customer service and build stronger relationships with your clients. Number 8, integrating your CRM with other tools and systems can help you streamline your workflow and access your business data in one place. Many CRM systems offer integrations with other tools and systems, such as social media platforms and email marketing tools. Integrating your CRM with these other tools can save time and effort by eliminating the need to switch between multiple systems. Next up, training your team to use the CRM effectively ensures everyone is on board with the system. Providing training and resources to help your team understand how to use the CRM and encourage them to use it regularly will help ensure that everyone can get the most out of the system. Number 10, regularly reviewing and updating your CRM is an essential step in ensuring that it continues to meet your needs and support the growth and success of your business. As your business grows and changes, you may need to add new fields and custom reports or integrate new tools and systems. By regularly reviewing and updating your CRM, you can ensure that it stays current and relevant to your business needs. So to wrap things up, your CRM is a powerful tool to help you streamline your business and build stronger client relationships. By choosing the right CRM and using it effectively, you can automate and organize your business, track and manage your leads, and analyze your data to improve your performance. If you liked this video, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing to my channel. I'm releasing new videos and going live every week. You won't want to miss any of them. Also, let me know which CRM you're using or thinking about using in the comments below, or just let me know that you watched to the end by typing "End Crew" into the comments so I can give you a quick thanks. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.